How to create a board on Pinterest. Hey guys, welcome to a Pinterest tutorial. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can create your own board on Pinterest. So let's get into it. You're gonna open up Pinterest on your mobile phone, laptop, or your iPad, and then you're gonna simply click on saved right here, which is also your profile option at the bottom here. Once you click on this, it will take you to your pins and boards that you have created and saved. And now you can see the option of Create Board. Click on Create Board and now give your board a name. I'm gonna call it Outfit Inspo. There you go. You can actually select the privacy of your board if you want it private or not. So I am creating a private board, so I'm going to select this option. Click on Create and a brand new board will be created on your Pinterest account. It's time to save some pins. For my outfit inspo, I'm just going to hit the pin and now you will see it will turn into a tick. Again, I'm going to add some more. This one, probably this one, and this one. I will just click back and now you can see all of the pins that I saved are added to my board. I can continue to add as many pins as I like. Click on these three dots and you can edit your board and a header image. You can merge your board with other boards and you can also archive. This is how you create a board on Pinterest. I hope this video was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to Software Made Easy.